What's your name?
My name is Janvi.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in India.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
Can you count 1 to 10?
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
What color or is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and milk.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you do before bed?
I read a story and go to sleep.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What games do you like to play?
I like to play hide and seek.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love drawing. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat.
Who is in your family?
My mom, dad, and me.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your best friend's name?
My best friend's name is Alex.
Do you like playing with your friends?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What's the name of your school?
My school name is Raghu Public School.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Miss Pinky.
Do you write with a pen or pencil?
I write with a pencil.
What do you do at home?
I play and help my mom.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I play and watch TV.
Do you like toys?
Yes, I love toys.
What is your favorite toy?
I like my teddy bear.
Do you play outside?
Yes, I play in the garden.
What games do you like?
I like hide and seek.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I love rain.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I love flowers.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
What do you drink?
I drink milk.
What's your favorite festival?
I like Diwali.
Do you get gifts?
Yes, I get presents.
Do you like birthdays?
Yes, they are fun.
Like, my channel.